That's something nice right here, my people. Wow, that was something nice. Man, I just threw it right here, pretty close to the small snapper spot, and it got stuck to me on something. Right over here. Let me see if I can get it out. Come on. What the hell was that? Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go, come on. Let's go. He's out, he's out. Oh. What is up, my Googans? We're back with another banging episode. And today, we're back at one of the spots where I caught a keeper mullen snapper. So let's see what awaits. Stay tuned. Let's go. My mom here fishing with me, as you can see here. My beautiful mom. It's time to bring her out. It's the first time she's fishing this year. And we're gonna keep it simple. She likes using her squid. So she already cut it up. She made it easy. And I'm gonna be using some shrimp that I caught not too long ago for the shrimp run. So let's see how it goes. We're aiming for some mangroves or anything, actually, to be honest. So let's see if we can get into some mangroves. I know for a fact there should be some grunts around here. I already see a lot of entanglement here. The water is really murky. Look how dark it is. You can barely see the bottom. But yeah, she's already looking for cover because the sun is beaming right now. Yep, it's beaming. So let's see. I only got one rod today. Check it out. One rod, and I like to keep it light. Look at the size of this hook. A size 1. Tiny. Tiny with what is this? 1.5 ounce. 16-pound test leader. And that's how we're gonna keep it. Nice and simple. All right, let's get started here. Gonna be using this little shrimp here. Just like that. Took the head out. Let's hide the hook a little bit. Woo! That sun is not playing around today. I've never seen the water here so murky. I wonder what's going on. Right there. Let's make sure we're ready here. I got my pliers and my knife. Oh, we're getting some bites already, people. Oh man. Okay, I'm liking that. We're getting some bites here. I think they took the shrimp already. Let's see. Yep, they took the shrimp. Let's go ahead and put another one. Let's do this again. Right there. There is some good current over there going on. I might drop the weight a little less. Let me see how it does right now. So my mama's already over there. She wants to fish on that side because she wants to stay under the shade. She's barely getting any shade though. Oh, are we on? We're on, my people. That was quick. Nothing major, but we're on something. What is this? Already starting with the grunts. Nice little fella right here. But we're gonna release him. I know my mom loves her grunts, but I mean, this guy's too small here. I'm not taking this guy. All right, but we just got here and we're getting action. Okay. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Switch it up. Let's go from here. All right. I'll go a little closer now. Right there. Nothing crazy right there. So the day I caught the mullen snapper, it was actually on a lure. I don't know if you guys seen the video, but either way, I threw it around here. On the first cast, I landed a mullen snapper. He got me stuck because there's a lot of structure down here, a lot. Little secret of mine, whenever you guys come fish over here, I recommend live shrimp. I'm switching it up today. I'm using this frozen shrimp that I had from the shrimp run that I caught up, what, 2 weeks ago. Oh, man, they're here today. Ah, no way. Big old puffer fish. No, the thing about these guys, they always swallow the whole hook. Dang. Check them out. It's a nice size right there. Hold on, little buddy. Damn, that thing's all the way down there. Look at those teeth right there. Let me see if I can get it out. Hold on, buddy. Nope. Caught off already. And another safe release. All right, let's go get another hook going. So the J's. Just small one here. All right, so far 3 baits, 2 catches. Nothing great yet, but hey, who knows? We just got here. We haven't even been here 5 minutes. Let's get this off. Let's go, let's go. Mama's on, mama's on. Ah, not another one. Not another one. Puffer City? No, man. Well, at least this one didn't swallow the hook. Come on, buddy. Let's go down there. Woohoo! And there he goes. All right, there's some action. Just the wrong species. Got another shrimp right here. So she caught that with the squid. I'm sticking to my shrimp. Throw a little further now. See what happens, see what happens. My mom's asking if you can fish from right here. No, you cannot fish from the bridge. Keep that in mind. Some people do it at nighttime. You're lucky, you might have a great night. If you're not lucky, you might get a ticket. Citations, get kicked out. So yeah, don't fish from the bridge. She thinks she's on something small. See here. Look at her, she's just chilling over here. A little grown, okay. Better than a puffer, right? Let's go here. There he goes, there he goes. ¿Puedes ahí? Te la tiro, May.
Sí, tira rapidito, rapidito.
So yeah, my people, this spot here, I mean, I haven't caught nothing that you can say, oh wow, that's nice. But it's definitely a fun little spot if you want to bring your kid. or your mom or your family members, like I'm doing right now. It's nice and chill. She's sitting on the cooler. I'm sitting right here. So yeah. Take this out and change the bait, if it still has bait. Look, it still has bait. Actually, you know what? Let me cast right here. Right there. Oh, you guys see that bite? All right. Something small, might be another grunt. I'm telling you, my people, this spot is nice and fun here. Even though we're only catching grunt and puffer, well, there's action. Woohoo! Let's go. I just brought the rod out. Clean cut. I gotta put a new hook. Put in the same hook. I don't know, I didn't even feel the bite. I don't know if it was a cuda or what was it, but it cut me off. I was helping out my mom and boom, this happened. Oh, my mom's on. Come on. Let's go. Just out here having fun. That's what it's all about. Oh, that's a bigger grunt. All right. Let me cast this one out and help her out. Sí, pero no, esperemos a ver qué más sale. She's already thinking of taking it home.
Para hacer los fritos es rico, no tengo ni uno en la casa.
Uno más grande, esperemos por uno más grande.
Ah, ya.
She wants to take this one home, but I tell her, let's see if we can catch a big one. There he goes. All right. Yo estoy acá.
Ah, ya, That's something nice right here, my people. Wow, that was something nice. Man, I just threw it right here, pretty close to the small snapper spot, and it got stuck to me on something. Right over here. Let me see if I can get it out. Come on. What the hell was that? Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. Come on. Come on. Let's go, come on. Let's go. He's out. Oh. I thought it was something nice, but people, check it out. Just a grunt. Oh, man. Let's release this guy. See, it's a super yellow one. Right, let's go. All right, okay. At least I didn't lose anything, so that's good. Let's go back at it. Man, I thought I had a snapper there. I mean, I wouldn't say a massive snapper, but something good. I'll show you where it was. Right there. Okay, check it out, my people. I was thinking of moving to this side now. I left my mom over there. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's over there. Oh, look how nice it looks here. Look at this whole area right here. It would be nice because the current is going that way, so if I throw it, it'll go under the bridge. Let's go see how my mom is doing. ¿Qué tal, Mai? All right. Okay, nothing here. She said she caught another puffer fish, another big puffer. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh. Oh. Seemed like a mangrove, if I'm not mistaken. Parece que era una cuberita pequeña, Mai. Shrimp here. That guy is going snorkeling right now. Well, I mean, spear fishing or something. That current is crazy down there, but hey. Hopefully he's a good swimmer. Come on, come on. So I just checked right now and it is the lowest tide right now. We just hit. Like always, your Guggen goes fishing whenever without even checking the weather or the tide. Especially that, you know, my mom wanted to go fishing. I'm like, let's make it happen. I'm gonna be here for another 30-45 minutes. All right, my people, we're running low on the shrimp. We're running low of the shrimp. So we gotta make these count. I just threw a bunch of little heads down here. So I'm gonna cast really close, see what happens. Right there. I don't know, that guy that went diving down there, it's been a while since he left. He left his bag here, he left his scooter over there. Well, hope it doesn't take too long. So I gotta go. I don't think she got something to see. Let's see, let's see. Más rápido. Oh man, what a day today. It's loaded with these today, my people. It's loaded. Let me take that out for her. I don't know, there's some good days, there's some bad days here. Let's get this guy out of here. Come on, buddy. Woohoo! There he goes. Come on, buddy. Turn around, go swim. Unbelievable, my people. Check it out. Check it out. Hi. On the big shrimp that I just put on. Unbelievable. Well, hey, this might be a good sign. I'm gonna send this guy out there. Let's see. Nice little baby mojarrita. Oh, I love my mojarrita. Who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen now. I'm gonna cast it here. Leave it right there. Not too far, not too close. Right into the current. Oh man, anything can happen. We're gonna set it right there. Come on, come on. Check it out, my people. Check it out. All right, my people. So pretty much that day was pretty slow in the sense that nothing major. Nothing major. Only small fish. I wouldn't say slow. Just not the right fish we were looking for, like mangroves or maybe some big grunt. One of them was actually nice size, but I decided not to keep. But either way, I brought my mom out. She had a good time. ¿Te divertiste?
Sí, mucho.
Yeah, she had a good time, but the sun is beaming straight at us. And she said, you know what? Let's call it a day. Either way, we had a good time. Thank you all for watching. Let's throw this thing out.
Toda esa carnada y la basura trae para botarla.
Okay.
Toda esta carnada bótala. Esta también
Listo.
bótala.
All right, we're going to chum this place out for next time we come. Woo! It's going to be nice for next time. Try to fill this spot up. And there you have it, my people. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's go.